How to delete a playlist on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete a playlist on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to delete playlist on Spotify, it is very simple. All you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open Spotify app. Once you open Spotify app, you want to make sure to log into your account, and then you're going to see this type of interface where of course you just have to tap the Your Library option that you can find over here. Once you tap on Your Library, you can just select this playlist button here to only be able to view the playlist that you've created. And in order to delete a playlist, long press on a specific playlist here, and then here you'll find this option. And in order to delete a specific playlist, just go ahead and select that playlist like this. Once you select and open the playlist, you can tap the three dots option next to the playlist, and then you'll find this option known as remove from profile. So all you can do is just tap on remove from profile, and the playlist is going to be deleted successfully right over here. As you can see, I can also go ahead and refresh it a couple of times. I can go ahead and long press on it and then choose to delete them as well. This way I can go ahead and then delete playlists on Spotify. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.